Welcome. This guide will walk you through how to use My Workspace to update task progress. My Workspace lets you access all tasks for the project in one place. You can easily see what tasks are being worked on today, or tasks that are upcoming or overdue. First, click the My Workspace button in the top right. This will open My Workspace. You can see how many tasks are being worked on today, and how many are overdue or upcoming. Click Today to see what tasks are being worked on. This will pop out a list of tasks that are assigned to be worked on today. Use the arrow buttons to change the percent complete. Click the Update button to save the changes and update the progress. You can see the changes have also been made in the percent complete column. When the task is complete, click the Mark Complete button. If you are the project admin, you can verify that the task is done by clicking the Verify button. You now know how to use My Workspace to update task progress. Thank you for watching.